So इसमें एक बात बताओ, CPA करने के बाद what is like the scope of this course in terms of the work profiles? कौन से work profiles में job मिल सकता है and हर एक work profile में exactly क्या काम होगा CPA करने के बाद?
Right. So that's a good question. I believe कि सबसे core job profile जो मुझे लगता है once you clear your CPA is into auditing. Because auditing में then, and it's not just financial statement auditing. अभी जैसा for example, I'm not into the core assurance, like जो बोलते हैं या फिर financial statement audit. I'm into systems audit. And there can be forensic audit. There can be internal audit. So you have a lot of openings when it comes to the auditing, job profile once you become a CPA. But then considering you have knowledge of not just audit, but also taxation, you have knowledge of also, cost accounting, you have knowledge of economics. So you can also further go into roles of consulting, such as FP&A, ho gaya. You can go into third-party assurance reporting, या फिर you can go into forensic accounting, and also those roles which are more into finance, I would say, mergers and acquisitions rather than auditing. And then also for CPA professionals, taxation roles are also open, like tax planning, tax preparation for individuals, businesses, and also मतलब उसके लिए एक separate course भी आता है enrolled agent करके, which is basically if you want to practice in front of the IRS, which is the Internal Revenue Services, जो यहाँ पे tax पूरा like taxation administer करता है. If you want to prepare and kind of represent your client in front of them, you need to do the EA course, enrolled agent. But CPAs also, because they have the knowledge, you can also go into taxation roles. And then also IT specific roles, because one of the things that they did, and I was really happy about it, is उन्होंने जो fourth subject था BEC, like जैसा मैंने पहले like बताया, उसमें उन्होंने option दिया है अभी, wherein one of the subjects is information systems and controls, which is basically what I work in. It's like evaluating all system controls आपके, and like reporting on a company's internal control or financial reporting process. Because nowadays for public companies, as you would also know, उनको सिर्फ SOX पे रिपोर्ट नहीं करना है, उनको सिर्फ numbers पे रिपोर्ट नहीं करना है अभी.
SOX is Sarbanes-Oxley Act.
Sarbanes-Oxley Act, yes, for those who don't know. And so SOX पे या फिर सिर्फ so SOX is basically where the controls come into place. They have to not just report on the numbers, but also on their internal controls का health. तो उसमें we play a major role in giving comfort over उनके जो systems use हो रहे हैं, like उनके organization में, उनका health कैसा है? Because nowadays we know that everything is on systems, right? We are a tech-enabled world now. Like nothing is on paper. So within the softwares or like within the systems जो भी use हो रहा है, how are the internal controls configured? Like how are the system controls configured? Because then now you can exploit the system. Like right, once you set up a system, it comes with risks. So उसमें like cyber risk आ जाता है, उसमें AI risk आ जाता है, उसमें अगर like right लोगों को access नहीं है system में, वो risk आ जाता है. So वो सारे risk हम evaluate करते हैं, and then we provide our like a full opinion on whether a system is working as it's intended or not.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.